Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how using visual cues can make it easier for your child to understand and respond to their name. Pairing auditory and visual signals can help reinforce name recognition. Using both sound and sight helps your child focus on the fact that they are being addressed. One simple cue is pointing to yourself when calling their name.
You are.
In addition to calling their name, make sure to use eye contact and gestures like pointing to your chest or even gently tapping your own shoulder. These visual cues draw their attention.
Good. Hi. You want?
You can also use props to reinforce name recognition. For example, hold a favorite toy or object while calling their name. This encourages the child to focus on you and understand that they are being addressed.
You want? Good job.
As your child starts to respond more consistently, gradually reduce the prompts and let them respond on their own. But keep using the visual cues, especially in the early stages, to reinforce the connection.
You want? Very good.
Using visual cues helps strengthen the connection between their name and the response. With consistent practice and reinforcement, your child will start recognizing their name more naturally. With the combination of visual and auditory cues, your child will become more confident in recognizing and responding to their name. Keep practicing and enjoy these moments together.